Welcome to the Learning Kids Learn, Play, and Grow Every Day.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हो आप? आज हम सीखेंगे डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स नेम विद इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। डॉग, डॉग मीन्स कुत्ता। से विद मी, डॉग, कुत्ता। कैट, cat means बिल्ली। Say with me, cat, बिल्ली। Cow, cow means गाय। Say with me, cow, गाय। Goat, goat means बकरी। Say with me, goat, बकरी। Horse, horse means घोड़ा। Say with me, horse, घोड़ा। Donkey, donkey means गधा। Say with me, donkey, गधा। Bull, bull means सांड। Say with me, bull, सांड। Rabbit, rabbit means खरगोश। Say with me, rabbit, खरगोश। Rat, rat means चूहा। Say with me, rat, चूहा। Duck, duck means बत्तख। Say with me, duck, बत्तख। Hen, hen means मुर्गी। Say with me, hen, मुर्गी। Buffalo, buffalo means भैंस। Say with me, buffalo, भैंस। Camel, camel means ऊंट। Say with me, camel, ऊंट। Pigeon, pigeon means कबूतर। Say with me, pigeon, कबूतर। Sheep, sheep means भेड़। Say with me, sheep, भेड़।
Thank you for watching our video, kids. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to comment your opinion.
Come and fly away with me.